Question 29. We've got to solve this equation. Now, this is an equation with letters on both sides of the equal sign, if you imagine the equal sign being in the middle. So we've got 2x on the left, we've got 5x on the right. We don't want to have letters on both sides of the equal sign. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to eliminate the lowest number of letters. So the lowest number of letters is 2x. And we want to eliminate that, so we want to get rid of it, because we only really want letters on one side of the equal sign. So to eliminate 2x, we would have to subtract 2x from that, and then that would go down to 0. 2x take away 2x would be 0, so that would be eliminated. But whatever you do to one side, you've got to do to the other side to keep it balanced. So if you're subtracting 2x from the left-hand side, you need to subtract 2x from the right-hand side. And then 5x subtracts 2x, so if you simplify that, that doesn't eliminate, does it? Because the 5 is bigger than the 2. So if 5x take away 2x, well, then we can replace it with 3x. But what else have we got? Well, we've still got this -8. We haven't done anything with that. We've still got the equal sign. We haven't done anything with that. And we've still got this +7. We haven't done anything with that. Well, +7, I could just write as 7 now. The only reason that the plus had to be there in the first place was because it was tacked onto the end of the 2x. Now the 2x has been eliminated. +7 could just be written as 7. So now I've got a second line to my equation, and this line is starting to look a bit easier. We've only got letters on the right-hand side now, unknown letters. So we now draw a number machine. So you always start your number machine with the letter x, and you describe what's happening to that x on your number machine. So that x has been times by 3. You've got 3 of them, then take away 8. And then all of that is equal to 7. So that means that 7 pops out the other side. Now, it's got to be times 3 take away 8 in that order. You can't do take away 8 times 3. Because when you're writing on the arrows of the number machine, you have to write what's being done to the x in order of bid mass. So in bid mass, multiply comes before subtract. So you have to be multiply first before the subtract. Once you've described on a number machine on some arrows what's happening to the letter x, times 3 take away 8, all you do there is you reverse it backwards. So the reverse of take away 8 would be add 8, the reverse of times 3 would be divide 3, and so you're going to start with a 7 and you're going to reverse backwards. So 7 add 8 is 15, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. And your answer, in other words, the value of the mystery letter x, is appearing underneath x then. So we're basically saying that x is worth 5. So in your answer box, you should write x equals 5. Now we have actually got the answer there, but a good mathematician goes back and checks their answer back into the equation. So if x is 5, it means the original 5 up the top here, that x was worth 5, and this x was worth 5. And both sides need to balance. So we should work out the left-hand side when x is 5. Let's work that out. 2 lots of 5 is 10, plus 7 is 17. If the right-hand side also comes to 17, then what that's telling us is that the 5 makes both sides balance. So 5 must be the correct answer. So let's work that out. So 5 5s are 25, and 25 take away 8 is also 17. So both sides balance when x is 5. It doesn't mean that the actual answer is 17. X is not 17. 17 is just the proof that x is actually 5 and that 5 makes both sides balance. So final answer, x equals 5.